Oh, here it is on page 107 of my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. And if you like curry like I do, you will love this recipe. It is so easy. I'm starting with 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs that have been cut into 2-inch pieces. I'm adding a half a cup of chopped green bell pepper, a half a cup of white chopped onion, a half a cup of chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger that has been peeled and chopped, 3 cloves of garlic that have been chopped, 1/2 cup of white wine, 1/2 cup of vegetable broth, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Now this recipe usually calls for 4 small dried chilies. I'm adding instead a tablespoon of pepper flakes. I'm mixing everything together now. Two teaspoons of curry powder. And because this is the kind of dish that I can make a day ahead of time, I'm going to cover this mixture and put this in the refrigerator. Now, this mixture actually was in the refrigerator overnight. I am preheating my toaster oven to 400 degrees. And this goes into an 8x8 baking pan. Covering with aluminum foil. Popping the pan into the toaster oven. So I baked this for 40 minutes covered, and then another 20 minutes uncovered. And this is so good with rice. I like spooning some of this sauce on the rice. What a beautiful combination. And buy my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. Over 250 wonderful, easy, delectable recipes just for the toaster oven.